I'm proud to announce a piece of fantastic news for young users out there. We'll be introducing you to the first ever 5G smartphone in the Realme number series in India. Here it is, the all new Realme 8 5G. Let's start with the design. The inspiration for this design comes from a thriller movie filled with adventure and energy. As you can see here, we've created two elegant colors for you to choose from. There's the high spirited supersonic blue and carbon themed supersonic black. Yet, thanks to the continuous structural optimization and our team's efforts, we were able to reduce the phone's thickness by more than 5%. Moving on to the display, we've used a 6.5-inch full screen display. The screen packs 2400 by 1080 pixels, that is FHD plus resolution. We are also bringing 90 Hz high refresh rate to the 8 5G, which makes it ultra smooth. Next, let me share a big news for the Realme 8 5G. At the core of this smartphone sits a powerful Dimensity 700 5G processor, one of the latest 5G processors in the market. Next, let me tell you about the CPU. It combines two highly capable ARM Cortex A76 cores in its octa-core CPU, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz. Moving on to the GPU, the Dimensity 700 comes with the powerful ARM Mali G57, clocked at 950 MHz. Now, this, along with the 90 Hz refresh rate display, means that the visual experience will be remarkably good. Lastly, let's talk about the technology used on this 5G processor. As a new generation 5G processor, it integrates a 5G modem with advanced 5G dual SIM dual standby support. And let me tell you a little secret, there are many flagship processors that lack this capability. According to our test results in a lab environment, 5G downlink speed of the Realme 8 5G can reach as high as 2.77 GB per second, compared to 4G, which achieved only about 390 MB per second. In other words, 5G network speeds are about 700% faster than that of 4G. Realme 8 5G adopts the massive 5000 mAh battery for a non-stop experience as well. The phone can stand by up to 529 hours. As for charging, the phone features 18-watt quick charge and comes with an 18-watt charger in the box. Finally, let me take you through the camera. So to prepare our users for it, we've introduced a 48 megapixel nightscape camera. Let's start with the hardware first. We've provided three cameras to let everyone shoot diverse photos on the Realme 8 5G. The 48 megapixel high definition primary camera, the black and white portrait lens, and a 4 centimeter macro lens. Just watch these stunning samples. I mean, aren't these photos just magnificent? And to top it off, the portrait photography abilities are also equally remarkable. The front 16 megapixel camera is equipped with a large f over 2.1 aperture and supports AI beauty and portrait mode. Look no further for fantastic portrait photos. There's a lot more to our Realme 8 5G that we are incredibly proud of. We fine tuned every detail so that our users can enjoy an all round quality and have a comprehensive experience. For one, we've equipped it with a side fingerprint scanner. Just tap on the power button once and your phone will unlock. What's more, a triple card slot feature has actually made a comeback. So you can say goodbye to hassle of choosing between dual SIM or expanding storage. This is also a new and upgraded version when it comes to storage because the internal expansion capability has increased from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. Yes. So, to give you some context, we actually did some tests, and 1 terabyte of memory can store up to 262,000 plus photos or 209,000 plus songs. Of course, just like the Realme 8 series, the Realme 8 5G is being made available with the latest Realme UI 2.0 powered by Android 11. I hope you enjoyed the stellar Realme 8 5G. Let me take you through a quick summary. Realme 8 5G sports the new generation Dimensity 700 5G processor built on a power efficient 7 nanometer process. It is one of the most powerful processors in its segment. It is also the lightest 5G phone in the segment, 185 grams and merely 8.5 mm thin. It exudes adventure and elegance with the dynamic speed light design. Cool and trendy, it's a design inspired by racing in the speed of 5G. The screen features a 90 Hz ultra smooth display, promising 5G speeds not just for your networks but also for your eyes. Witness and capture the era of 5G with the 48 megapixel nightscape camera and a 16 megapixel beauty selfie camera. Realme 8 5G also comes with a 5000 mAh massive battery, and when paired with smart 5G power saving, you can live a worry free life with long lasting battery life. The Realme 8 5G also features exciting upgrades such as up to 1 terabyte of expandable storage, a side fingerprint sensor, and the triple card slot. Also, it runs on the latest Realme UI 2.0, approved by Realme quality standards for an all rounded experience. For our fans in India, it is available in two variants with 4GB 128GB, priced at rupees 14,999, and 8GB 128GB, priced at rupees 16,999. I hope